Welcome to Stone Casa. We are into manufacturing and finishing of granite, marble and exotic stone.
Stone Casa's target of 3 locations has already been achieved. We have made our presence, one at Fort, second at Grant Road, third at Sion, and we've got our yard in Vasai.
India has always been a rich source of natural stones, and we make sure that we collect every stone from every corner of India. We are very passionate about stone. We get goosebumps when we see the Indian culture, Indian stone and Indian design that we get in.
Just in case if you can't make it to our doorstep to feel the luxurious of stone and heritage mosaic, give us a call and we'll be there at your doorstep with our technical advisor to explain you and give you the feel of natural stone and heritage mosaic.
Heritage Mosaic excited us the most, where we have used the experience of our natural stones. Though it's a very versatile product, so we have used the design from the ethnic to the Moroccan, and this product can be used for interiors and exteriors, walls and floors. We have covered lots of bungalows, resorts and hotels, and we keep on doing that thing, where the product and the design, we can create a new masterpiece with every new day.
It brings in a lot of excitement to reveal that we're working on a terrazzo product. Some people they call it C2, they call it Kalicha print. We call it heritage mosaic, and it's fusion of exotic Indian stone with concrete, and it gives nice ethnic feel to it. We do a lot of polishing and a lot of finishing on it. We've also created a lot of designs, the Moroccan feel, the Rajasthani heritage designs, or you call any English print that you want, any color combination that we need. We've already worked and we're working more on it. I'm super excited about it. Our part of the story is wherein we make sure that we sort the right quality of stones from the right mines, so that the product goes to the architect with the best precision. What we do in this company, we make sure the stones are finished in a proper way. We make sure that the staff that we choose, the quality control is apt, and every piece that goes, it has its own natural variation, but it brings in a lot of glory to the whole space, and of course luxury. That is what we do. There has always been a problem accumulating Indian stone, is where the quarry owners, the small quarry owners, they cannot afford the mining. That's where we help it. We make sure they get the adequate finance that they need, and so that we can source the right kind of stone from them. we make sure the quality control is done again from our side, so that he gets the right material, right thickness, right quality, and that is one angle which we kind of help to them, so that Indian stone can do better. We are 38-year young company. In this time, we've already reached all the 5-star hotels in India, all the resorts, all the big architects, and all the projects that we intend to work with. We've already reached there. The next target is to reach the export market, which I think Indian stone deserves the most. We've already worked with Le Méridien Bhutan, and we targeting other hotels and other resorts and other people in Europe and other countries across the world. That is the vision and the mission of the Stone Castle in coming years.